I love every single corner of this room. I designed every single corner for just suit how I live and how I use every corner. Since 2022, I moved back from big city Shanghai to east-north coast of Fujian, which is my hometown. Hello everyone, it's Roxy Run. Welcome to my small little room. And as you can see on my right side is my yoga mat and with my own notes on it. On the left side is my wardrobe with all my clothes and on the top of that is my bookshelves and door. And I will tell you a secret is the bookshelf used to be my door, so I give it a change. So now become my bookshelves. And here is one of my relaxing area. My friends always tell me I am good at organizing and keep things tidy. I enjoy reading books and doing crafts. I am really into bamboo too. Whenever I go hiking, I collect bamboo and bamboo leaves along the way to make lampshades with it. It makes me feel connected to nature. I love how small spaces make me feel cozy, quiet, and peaceful. I would like to use this as an example to pass on that feeling and hopefully inspire your space as well. I think it's very important that we can make our space multifunctional, particularly when we deal with small spaces. The loft bed was the starting point. Then I arranged everything else by feeling and constantly changing things along the way. And the standing desk on my left is particularly important. And the main area behind it where I meditate, do stretches, and yoga, rest, and study. That is why I call these small but beautiful spaces full with coziness, peaceful, and energy. So I think I have everything I could want. So I am very satisfied with that. This is my space for meditation, stretching, yoga, relaxation, and studying. This is the main area. Everything here is movable, which gives me enough space for meditation and exercise. So hopefully my arrangement can inspire you a bit with your own space as well. Thank you for watching. So finally, I will tell you a secret, which is outside of my tiny room, there is a big garden. So stay tuned to meet my secret garden in next episode.